Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to make a beautiful Valentine's Day card. First, gather your essential supplies. You'll need sturdy cardstock, a good pair of scissors, and reliable adhesive. Don't forget to pick out some fun decorative elements like glitter, stickers, and ribbons. Choosing a variety of colors, especially reds, pinks, and whites, will really make your card pop. Let's get started on this heartfelt project. Now, let's move on to designing your card layout. Begin by folding an 8.5 by 11-inch sheet of cardstock perfectly in half. This will be your card's base. Before you start gluing or inking, lightly sketch your design with a pencil. Think about creating a central focal point, perhaps a lovely heart or a special message. Planning where each decorative element will go ensures a balanced and visually pleasing composition for your handmade creation. Next, it's time for the fun part, decorating and personalizing your card. Carefully apply adhesive to secure all your chosen decorative elements firmly in place. Grab some fine tip markers to add heartfelt messages and intricate details that truly express your feelings. Don't be afraid to incorporate three-dimensional elements, such as foam stickers or pop-up features, for added visual interest and texture. Layering different materials will give your card a wonderful, professional finish. Finally, let's put the finishing touches on your wonderful creation. It's crucial to allow all adhesives and inks to dry completely before you handle or close the card, preventing any smudges. Once dry, carefully place your finished card into an envelope, ready for presentation. Remember to write a heartfelt, personal note inside to convey your sincere sentiments. Then, proudly present your beautiful, handmade card to someone special on Valentine's Day, sharing your love and effort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.